I hate raining. But it ain't gonna stop me. It ain't gonna stop me, you know what I'm saying?
A lot of people are asking for a race. Me and you.
Oh yeah, let's do it right now. Hey.
No.
Probably next week. Good, yeah.
You think it's gonna happen?
Good, yeah, it happened.
It's gonna happen?
Yeah. Hey, and it's no, right now.
Hey, so the last video that I posted about the Type R,
yeah.
it has hella hype though, but it's just a lot of people just view it.
I know. Yeah, I saw it.
What do you think?
Yeah, sure. Hey, I saw the comment and then like I know that guy comment and then said like, "Hey, why you didn't wait for the Type R?" But
yeah.
We should be there soon. Then I said, okay, I can't wait right now, you know.
Woo, the rain stopped already. Nice. You know I hate raining, but it's cool. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see at the title of this video. Woo! What's up, man? How you doing?
Yeah, good.
As you guys can see on the title of this video, I'm gonna be installing a front lip. It's a CS style carbon fiber lip. You guys check it out. Alright guys, so it's a carbon fiber front lip, CS style front lip. You guys can see. I'm gonna unbox it real quick. I already took it out from the box because when I pick it up, it's not really fit on my car. There's a big ass box. So we're gonna try to test fit it and put a tape on it, and then I'm gonna lift up the car to drill the holes under the bumper. Let's go. Alright guys, we put on the tape. Ooh, I can already see how it's gonna be. Now I'm gonna lift the car and then I'm gonna drill the bumper. Tinape muna natin bago natin iangat.
Yeah, kasi tatanggal. Kaya tinape ko doble kasi
Di parang mas smart yata pag ano eh. Pag inangat muna natin bago natin ito.
Ay,
gets mo?
Yeah, gets ko. Mas madali na.
Oo, mas madali kasi.
Wala na, nagyari na.
Alright guys, car is up in the air. Now let's get a drill and drill that bumper in. Alright guys, so we struggled a little bit about that tape thing. It didn't actually work. But we found an idea that putting on the jack stands under the front lip. So it worked, so it's time for drilling. No turning back, let's go.
Sorry, I can't do that in an app.
Okay, let's go.
Ready na?
Alright guys, I'm on the car right now. So as you guys can see, every hole, there's every hole on the lip over here. So I'll just line that up, whatever it is, and then I drilled it. See one hole right there, and then one hole right there. So I just drilled it, and then I screw it at the same time, so it just lined up one time. And then I think it's pretty good. Then I'll just finish up all the holes, and then that's pretty much it. Alright guys, lip is on. Woo! No gaps or anything. Just had a little scratch in here, but it's alright. So let's check under the bumper. It's all screwed. Screw. Screw your mama. Just kidding. And then now we're gonna put down the car, and then let's see how it looks. Let's get it.
Mas more aggressive pag sa harap ha.
Woo! Damn. Decided to show up.
Hey man, I call you, man. What's up?
We're already done. We're already done. I'm already done. I already installed it.
Wanna pour on mine too?
Huh? Oh, the side skirt?
Yeah.
Oh, your side skirt? Yeah. It is carbon fiber.
Can I step on it?
Shut up.
Hey, you gotta check if it's real one, right? Yeah. Check it if you want. Oh shit. Is this the reason why you pour on the splitter? Because of this scratch right here?
Yeah. You read my mind, bro. That's exactly what I need to do, bro.
Man, you can just bump it out.
Yeah, but I'm lazy. Real task is getting out of the driveway safely and without breaking the splitter. So it's just gonna angle it? Slowly.
All the way. Good, good. How does it feel?
I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to act on that kind of situations.
Yeah, that's fine. First scrape, I feel you, bro. I mean, I've been there. So in the first time scraping, all good. That's fine. But, huh? Yeah, right here. You can sit.
Whatever.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let's go to the spot.
Okay.
Guys, Dio's gonna drive my car so I can take some roller shots on it. What you say? This guy's complaining. What you say?
No, it's gonna adjust your recliner shit.
Well, I'm short. What do you want me to do?
That's fine, bro. I understand.
You guys made it to the end of this video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.